little chilly. Okay, bring you guys up to date on what's going on. I took that Suburban off-roading, and I had ordered wheels and tires, as most of you might have known. It's been a while since I uploaded. Well, that's because a certain company that I bought the wheels from didn't really deliver when they were supposed to until about a week ago, after I had already bought another set of rims just so I could take my Suburban and, test it out a little bit. Did that over on Automotive Antics channel. So anyway, when we took that thing off-road, found out some of the weak links. The wheel bearings, because of the oversized tires, well, they kind of wore out a little bit. And they're starting to squeak, and, I want to nip that in the butt before it gets too bad. My wheel falls off. So we got new wheel bearings. We also have Kryptonite tie rod ends. Now, I don't need them yet, but when I was under there, the size of those stock 1500 tie rod ends, yeah, they're going to break. All right, guys, so we're going to wrap it up here. On the next one, we're going to finish those tie rod ends. We're going to put those wheel bearings in, and then I'm going to reveal those rims, because those rims are nice. All right, so don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. I really got to get better at editing these things.